In today's video, I'm going to try to upgrade an older PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So many people have to decide what to do with their older PCs that don't officially support Windows 11, now that Windows 10 end of life is just a few days away. So if you have an Intel chip that's below 8th gen, those are considered too old. Now, for a while, there have been workarounds to install Windows 11 on those older PCs, and I'm going to try one today. The PC I'm going to be using is actually my wife's desktop PC that she uses for work. I did a backup of any important files before attempting to do this. And the PC she uses is actually an HP Elite Desk that has an i5 4570. And, all she uses this for is Google Docs, emails, and Zoom calls. And it's worked perfectly fine for her. I was thinking of getting her, a different PC, but I just wanted to see if I could upgrade this to Windows 11 before I do that and, see if it actually works. The upgrade I'm going to be trying to do doesn't require a USB drive. I'm actually just going to be downloading the Windows 11 ISO, mount it, and then install it. All right, first thing I have to do is find the Windows 11 ISO. So I'm going to go to Google here and search Windows 11 ISO download. And the first link here is what I want. I'm going to click there. And then I'm going to find download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. So there it is right there. Click here and click Windows 11 right there. Click confirm. And then we're going to select the language right here. So I'm just going to find English. There it is. And then click confirm. Then here where it says download Windows 11 English, I'm just going to click that blue button that says 64-bit download. And then just let it download. It might take a minute or two. All right, when the ISO download is complete, what you want to do is right-click on it. So let's find it. There we go. Right-click and hit Mount. Here we're just going to hit Open. All right, here are all our files. So what we're going to do is select everything and copy it. Copy. And then here in our C drive, we're going to create a new folder that says Win11. And in that folder, we're going to paste everything that we just copied. All right, so when that's done, we're going to go up here and see where it says C:/Win11. We're going to copy that. All right, then on the bottom left here on the Windows search bar, you hit CMD, Command Prompt, Run as Administrator. Hit Yes here. And now at the command prompt, we're going to type CD and then paste the address that we copied. But make sure there's a space between the CD and the address. You're going to hit enter. You're going to get this other prompt. And then here, we're going to type in the following. We're going to type in setup.exe space / and then write product space server. And then we're going to hit enter. So just make sure you're typing in exactly the way I have it. Pause the video if you have to. All right, so now I'm going to press enter. And then just going to wait a few seconds. All right, preparing. All right, here you're going to click Change How Setup Download Updates right here. And make sure Download Updates, Drivers, and Optional Features is selected. And then you're going to hit Next. Just wait a moment. Right here, scroll down and just accept the license terms here. And then here we're going to hit keep files, settings, and apps because I want to make sure all any programs or files that I already have on the PC is going to stay when it updates to Windows 11. So I'm going to hit next. Make sure you're ready to making sure it's ready to install, getting updates. Now here, yeah, it's going to take a long time to get these updates. All right, so that only took a few minutes, but when that's done, it's going to hit. You're going to see this because say ready to install, and we're just going to hit install. Now this one I know will take a long time, so go get yourself a cup of coffee, get a drink or something. It's going to take a while. All right, guys. So I obviously fast forward through a lot here. This took much longer than I thought it was going to be. So from start to finish, this almost took me 2 hours. However, the PC I'm trying this on is only using a mechanical hard drive, which is probably why it took so long. I will be cloning this drive soon to an SSD. So obviously things will speed up then, but I should have had an SSD in here anyway. Totally forgot there was a mechanical hard drive in here. But everything works really well. So I'm just going to try some web browsing here. All right, and finally, here is Task Manager. I just want to show you guys that still rocking the i5 4570. Windows 11 is working totally fine on this now. Really happy with the results here. So I just wanted to show you guys that you can install Windows 11 on these older machines and no issues whatsoever. It did take a long time, but totally happy with the results. That's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.